Hi everyone. Today I will demonstrate how to extract tables from multiple PDF files. For this job, I have used the Microsoft Excel and the Python. I will extract the tables in Microsoft Excel, all of them, but I will use Python to get the location of those files. For example, so what is the powerful use of this code? Well, if you have, let's say, 50 PDF files and you want to extract the tables out of them, or if you have, let's say, 100 table files, or even 500 table files, this tool can help you to extract the tables out of them for each PDF file, it will take only 1 to 2 minutes to extract all the data out of it. So whatever tables you have, you can extract all of them very very fast using this code. And I will demonstrate now how to use this code here in this case. So first of all, I put all my files in one folder here. So the location of my folder is C my PDF, and I have two folders, two files here. I just to put two files right now because I want just wanted to demonstrate. But in case if you have more file, let's say 100 files, 200 files, 500 files, you can place all of them. And then you have to, what we need from this folder is the path of this file, where your file is stored. Because the code that we have in Excel, it needs the, I'll show you, it needs the path of these files. So that's why we need it here. So now for the code, what I did here, I went to the developer part, go to the Visual Basic, and open the sheet here, and then I have my code. Uh, then I will show you. I will here. This is the code I have made, and in this code, I have to specify the location of the file that I want to extract it. Say for example 3, example 4, example 5. So these are the three PDF here. Now, if you have, let's say, 100 files and you want to take the path of all those files, it will be very time consuming for you. So what I did here, I write the Python code. Python code will save all the locations here in this text file. So here I have the code here. I already set up the location of my folder, and I run this code. Once I run this code, I have these file files here. You see they are already here. So I just did Control A and Control C. Then I went to the code that I've written. I'll just go and paste it here. And I need to remove this last one because this is a text file and I don't want anything out of it. So now I set up the path route, and just one more thing I have to do here. I have to add one Microsoft Word in the stream. So object library. I did this, and then I'd go run the tool. So once I run the tool, the code that I have wrote, basically this code will convert that PDF file in this location into the Microsoft Word, and then after the Microsoft Word, whatever tables it has, it will copy them from there and bring them into the Excel sheet as a table. So that's what it is doing. So now it has opened the uh, here. Now it has converted into the Word here. Here you see that we have here one table, here we have another table here, and we have third table here, and then we have another big table here. And then so what it will do, it will take these tables from here automatically and paste them in the Microsoft Excel. Here you can see, and then rest of them, this file will go close because we don't want this. So it's nice. So we have to wait. As I said, each file will take 1 to 2 minutes. It depends on, also depends on how fast your computer is. Now it gets closed, it's moved to the second file. Now it opens the second file. Here's the second file it is opening. Converting. It is converting from PDF to Microsoft Word, and then it is taking the files from here. And also we can write a code to just to have it in a Word format here. And also we can write the code to take the images from these files because we need them, because we need to extract the data from the graph also. So now here you can see that in this file we have these tables here, and this is the second table we have here. It's already extracted here, you can copy it here also. It's done. So now you go back to file, and here you see now you have this table 3, you have this table, you have this table out, you have this table out, you have this table out, this one, this one, you have this table out, and you have this table out, and this table out, and this table out here. So likewise, now I just demonstrated two PDF files, and but if you have 100 files, 200 files, 500 files, does not matter. The code will do all the job for you very fast. But you need to specify the file location, and for that we have to use the Python, and it will write all the uh, file path here, and then you just copy them, paste them into the code, and code will do the magic for you. Thank you so much.